kilos. We welcome to the cage from Silverbacks MMA, Liam Bird.
The 8th bout of the night. And coming into the red corner, Liam Bird from Silverbacks MMA. Liam Bird awaiting his opponent.
And his opponent from Siam MMA. Welcome, Lee Rayson.
Rayson making his way into the blue corner, fighting out Siam MMA.
Yeah, Lee Rayson looks a decent size for the 71.5 catch weight.
Which is crown and pound allowed at 71.5 kilos. Introducing first in the red corner from Silverbacks MMA. His record is 4 wins, 1 defeat. He is a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu fighter. Welcome to the cage, Liam Bird. And across the cage from Siam MMA. He is a technical fighter with a record of 3 wins and 1 defeat. Welcome to the cage, Lee Rayson.
It's going to be quite a good match stylistically. If Liam Bird does have the jiu-jitsu we're expecting, because I imagine Lee's going to take him down. So really it's Liam's getting off of his back that's going to make the difference.
Yeah, Lee looking for the takedown straight away as well.
He goes in straight for that double leg every fight.
And
really, it's going to be Liam's game. Liam Bird's game off of his back. That's really going to have to be outstanding.
Yeah, and already there, he's looking to stay busy.
Sweep.
Looking for butterfly sweep attempts. There's full guard.
Lee is a strong guy. He's got a very good on-top game. He's busy with his ground and pound.
Yeah, he's trying to stay active with his ground and pound, which obviously leaves him open to submission attempts.
Also leaves him open to the occasional sweeps, which I think Liam's going for now. He's trying to wrap up that knee bar by the looks of things.
Looking to turn his hips into
This is what Liam wants to do though. He wants to stay busy. He wants to be attacking submissions. It looks good for the judges. Gives Lee plenty to think about as well.
Yeah, I like the look of this fight.
Nice Rayson though. Nice pass there. Goes into north-south. Rayson's very good at staying heavy. Staying on top of his opponent, having a strong pin.
Yeah, Lee looks at home in this position.
Yeah.
Making it very difficult for Liam to shrimp and get his guard back.
Yeah, he's exactly where he wants to be right now.
Just as I say that.
Liam's really going to have to be strong off of his back if he wants to get the win here. He needs a sweep or a sub.
Yeah, he's back into that guard and straight away he's getting busy.
He could pull in those ankles here and get a trip. But Lee's just stifling him.
He's a little bit sloppy with his jiu-jitsu at the minute. He's rushing it, he's leaving his guard open, and Lee's taking advantage of that with heavy shots.
He's in that quarter guard right now, but he should be able to pass that into mount. Rayson goes to the front headlock.
Yeah, perhaps looking for that guillotine from there. But Liam looking to grab a leg and maybe reverse the positions.
See Tommy Maguire in the corner of Lee asking him to stand up, and he does. He's got that body lock. And he trips him. Very nice
so
trip.
much stronger than his opponent.
A very nice trip. That looked like a very strong body lock. Liam's really got to work his jiu-jitsu. He's really got to work his game off of his back.
Yeah, Lee's looking to pin an arm and let the strikes go here.
I give credit to Lee. He sets a very fast pace when he fights. He's a real grinder, and he's always working. He's always moving. Even if you manage to get on top of the guy, he's still working. He's still moving.
Yeah, and this is one of the things that makes jiu-jitsu so different. Once you get in there and you're feeling someone hitting you in MMA. And Liam is definitely struggling to get his jiu-jitsu going at the minute.
It's the element of ground and pound and pins that was definitely around to Lee Rayson there.
Yeah. Liam doesn't seem to have an answer for the wrestling of Lee Rayson. Whether or not he'd be better off keeping it standing and striking, I don't know.
Rayson just took his head an awful lot when he looks for that shot. But really, Liam's just he's got to stay strong. He's got to pummel hard.
So second round, first one definitely going to Lee Rayson there.
No doubt.
Very dominant in that round.
Rayson's hands are high. He's faking kicks now. Throws a nice right hand.
Yeah,
double legs straight away. Double
He's
legs
just overwhelming
straight
his
away.
opponent here.
He's got his back. Liam's not really got the jits off his back to deal with this.
Yeah, Liam getting good advice from his corner to scrape against the cage.
He's up quickly. He can still turn the round around if he wanted.
Yeah, Lee working that dirty boxing.
Nice little uppercuts there.
He's just got a little bit too much for Liam at the minute. Liam really needs to finish his takedown and get some attacks of his own going.
And there's a single leg.
He's got a single leg.
Now this is a tricky bit because Lee's actually quite busy off of his back. He will look to improve his position. He won't just lie there. But Liam's really just got to match that pace. And that's what I'm talking about. He's right back up. He's right back up. He's right back into that double leg.
Yeah, and that's Rayson looking for the takedown. And for me, Liam's not quite doing enough to stop that happening.
Rayson, right
Rayson's quick with the strikes as well. As soon as he gets the takedown, he's heavy with his hands.
He's straight into the ground and pound. He clearly comes from a very good gym. Trains hard.
Rayson keeping that top position and just hammering the fist down now.
He has a very good game plan, and he seems to be able to execute it on most opponents very well. full mount. Let's go on the ground and pound.
Yeah, Rayson looking to finish here now. He's starting to rain down that left hand. Can't quite see from here, but it looks like he's still trying to pass to mount.
They're kind of in the core guard. I think he can slip that hand to mount quite easily, that left foot.
Yeah, Liam needs to get his hips moving. He needs to turn his hips up. But he's gone the wrong way and he's given up his back.
Both hooks now for Lee. See John Maguire in the corner there. Giving plenty of advice to Lee. And Lee is just a grinder. He grinds guys out.
Liam is hanging in there. He's looking to get his back to the cage and stand up again. But Lee is definitely overwhelming him.
I'd like to see Liam try for that sweep. I mean, Lee's ankles come in really close when he's postured up like that. I think if he could grab them and sweep him. Just to watch that up kick now,
Yeah,
does
Liam
Lee.
looking to work the up kicks.
Not a bad idea.
Yeah, Rayson's done a good job of controlling the
careful with that
ankles.
knee. He needs to watch spine on that knee. Lee Hasdale calling for a time. Lee's thumb has come out of his glove on both.
I'm interested to see where the referee is going to restart this now.
He's going to start them both standing.
Oh, he's starting from standing.
He's looking kind of tired.
Yeah, Lee looking a bit tired now if he's not blowing himself out.
And Liam just was quite busy with his hands.
Liam looked disappointed as he trudges back to his corner. He's definitely got a lot to do. He's definitely losing this fight, no doubt about it. He needs to pull something out of the bag this round.
He's not going to manage to take Lee down. He needs to get a sweep off of his back. He needs to sweep him and end in a dom position, maybe try and wrap up a sub.
Yeah, he's definitely staying busy from there. He's busy off his back.
He's been busy, yeah. I think physically Lee seems to be a lot stronger than Liam.
Yeah, I'd agree with that.
Seems to have a physical advantage. I mean, he's a strong guy, Lee.
Yeah, I would say he's definitely a big lightweight.
He's a big lightweight, yeah. Yeah, set to pace, very explosive. Nice touch gloves there. Busy hands from Liam.
Liam coming forward now. He knows he's got a lot to do.
If he ends with that uppercut, he'd be a lot better, but Lee's got a really good lift and a really good slam.
Yeah, he's played straight into Rayson's game there. Straight into a double leg.
A bit of an up kick there, I think. He's trying to wrap up that knee bar again. Credit to Liam, he's taking the chances.
Yeah, he needs to as well this round.
They do say the wrestler's Achilles heel is leg locks. Lee's done a very nice job of kind of debunking that though. And the mount from Lee.
Now.
See if Lee goes for the finish or if he decides to grind out a decision. I know he won his last fight by ground and pound, TKO in the third. So let's see if he duplicates that.
The guillotine could be there. Liam's leaving his head up. But Lee looks content to just throw knees, and he looks like he wants to finish with ground and pound. But Liam, to his credit, is up again.
Nice single leg. Nice single leg with the head on the outside from Lou. Nice sit through. Needs to commit on that. Needs to commit on that. Needs to pop it. Needs to pinch his left elbow and sit through hard.
Yeah, Lee's just crushing the life out of him again here.
He does like his guillotine. I know he's finished a fight with a guillotine before, and I know he tried it on me when we fought.
Yeah, Lee
So you've got to watch him now.
Just to punch away here.
He likes getting a hold of that neck. He's lost it now, but he's
another takedown. Lee's been relentless here with the takedowns. And Liam just hasn't had an answer for it, and he's taking big shots as Rayson looks for the finish.
A very good wrestler, very strong on top.
Liam's game, he's hanging in there, still firing shots at his back.
Hanging in there, he should decide, survive to a decision. I mean, this is the time where he really needs to be looking for a sweep. He needs to be throwing up arm bars and whatnot.
Yeah, Liam really needs to throw caution to the win now. But again, he walks straight into a takedown.
When I thought Lee, I had success with that scissor sweep from full guard, so I don't know if Lehman would want to try the same.
Yeah, for me, he's not been too tight off his back. He's been active. You can see he's trying for things, but he's just been a little bit too loose with things, and Lee's just basically walking through his
Lee's just
all his attacks.
He's just ground out a decision here.
Yeah, fantastic performance by Lee. He finishes strong in the mouth. Great performance from Lee Rayson. There's no doubt in my mind that.
In the blue corner, Lee Rayson.
Yeah, no surprise, Lee getting a decision there.
Very good performance, great game plan, really executed it well.
Rayson, how are you? Yeah, good. Cheers, man. Ken. Very hard, Ken. Fight harder than you thought? Yes, mate. No, so that's what we'll do, then we'll let you get back, mate, because you look shattered. A big shout out to Lee Rayson. We'll see you soon.